Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I feel like I'm super far away today because I'm trying to get my whole hair in because today I'm going to be cutting my hair. So this is my hair. I do have extensions in it, so technically I am just cutting the extensions because my natural hair is around here. Yeah, maybe here. So this part here that I'm going to be cutting is the extensions. First of all, disclaimer, don't try this at home. I mean, you can if you want. Obviously, you can do what you want with your hair, but I'm not recommending that you do this at home. But I am a fully trained hairdresser, and I did used to be a hairdresser. But that being said, I still do like my mum's hair and my best friend's hair, but I don't do loads of hair. So this is definitely not going to be technically correct, but then I do think it's hard to do a technically correct haircut on yourself. If I'm doing your haircut, then I'm definitely a quite skilled, I'd say, hairdresser. But we're cutting my own hair today. Well, the extensions. Basically, you can see like the ends are like super. Oh, hello. The ends are like super, just like ratty. I've had this particular hair. These are tape-ins, by the way. They're Beauty Works. I've had these in for almost a year now. This actual set. I think it was from like March, so almost a year. They're totally fine. They still feel really soft. I just think because I tend to cut my hair a lot, not like the length, but just like to feather it and make sure it looks like natural. Obviously it doesn't blend that well right now because I haven't styled it or anything, which I'm going to do in a second. But I do tend to cut it quite a lot, so I feel like the ends just get kind of thinner and thinner. And also, it's actually not even just that. It's because I just feel like this hair's just a bit blur right now. Like, I just feel like having a bit shorter. I've been umming and ahhing about cutting it shorter for a while. I just want it to look a little bit more stylish and a bit more like put together and cool, rather than just blur. Don't get me wrong, if I style my hair really, really well, or I wear it dead straight and I do think it looks really nice long, I just feel like a change, I'm bored, and it's just extensions, so who cares, like, it's fine. If I don't like it short, then I'll just get long extensions again. But I just think, I feel like I have quite a long face, and I feel like this kind of drags my face down a bit. So I'm going to go short. We're not going like short, although I would like that. I don't know if I would like it for that long. So I'm going to go probably maybe around here-ish. But then I also don't want it to look mumsy. I keep just like flashing my boobs here. Should I just do this button up? Hold on. I wore white so you could like see it better, because if I wear dark then obviously you can't really see it. But you can even see like this is it split down the middle, and like this side's quite, no, this side is quite a lot thicker and longer, and this one's a bit more cut into. So you see like this bit here, that's actually an extension layer. I might go to like about there, we think. So I'm looking in my viewfinder, by the way, because I haven't actually decided, but I just thought I want to cut my hair, so I turned the camera on, like quite literally. Maybe like here-ish. I feel like there's going to be like loads of you like shouting at the screen right now going, don't cut it! But honestly, and I feel like there's going to be half of you that are like, yes, do it! So yeah, you see like these little bits, like there and there, like to there. We'll try that first and then we'll see what happens. I'm going to first of all straighten my hair just so it's going to be a bit easier to cut, and it will be straighter cut because my hair will be straighter. I did, by the way, also wash my hair yesterday, so it's clean. And I do recommend, if you are going to cut your hair yourself, which again I don't recommend, if you are, then do it dry, don't do it on wet hair because it's hard. Okay, so I am only going to quickly run through this because it is fairly straight already. I just want the ends to look like blunter. Don't think that's the word. You probably meant to say more blunt. More blunt. Yeah, I just want the ends to be more blunt. Okay, so hair is straight. I do recommend, again, if you are going to try this at home, then have your hair straight, because if you had it curly and wavy, it's just, once you straighten it, it's going to not work, you know, it's going to just be all over the shop. So I'm keeping it where it was parted. That looks nice. Which is a middle part, because that's where I usually wear my hair. And okay, so I am actually going to follow that back and obviously bring it round to the front. If I look down here a lot, by the way, it's because I have my viewfinder here, which I have on quite a large screen, like a TV, and I have my mirror. So obviously I want to film this for you guys, but I also don't want to have loppy hair, so if I look down a lot, that is why. Okay, so I'm going to brush it like I've divided it down the back, and then I'm going to brush it forward, but I'm going to try and keep it kind of almost out. So like this front bit, for example, I don't want it to be over here. I want it to be over here. So as if it's brushed flat from behind and then out. But I mean, to be honest, I don't think this is even going to reach this part because that's kind of almost the length we're going for. But yeah, just like this. And then I'm actually going to take a shaver to just zoom the first bit off because I think that'll be easier than using my scissors. So we're going for this. This is the Babyliss Men's Pro. It's like a shaver for your face. It's the one Pete uses for his face. I got this for him for Christmas, like last year, or birthday or something. I think I actually put it on my Instagram. Anyway, this is the one I'm using. But any shaver will do. I just thought I'd use this one because it's cordless, so it's easy to use. So we're taking this. I'm going to take the guard off, obviously. Don't actually know how to use this. I'll just take this off, like that. So then it's just literally like your razor and you just turn it on. Okay, I'm going to start with this side. Let's aim for here first. What we have. Oh my god, it feels so nice! Oh my god, I love it already. Oh my god, that feels so nice. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. I shouldn't have brushed it really because I need to get the other side the same now. I wonder how straight this is going to be when I put it behind me though. Okay, so let's leave that like that, just so I can get an idea of the length. Okay, let's do the other side. So itchy. So this is what we have. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I feel like, is this side like a little bit longer? Oh no, this side's longer, hold on. Let me just take this here. No, they're quite similar, but I'm just going to go over it again. I feel like there's like a long bit, so let's just brush it through again. Oh my god, it feels so thick, like so thick. Whether to either go a little bit shorter to those bits or to leave it like this or to cut some layers in. I kind of don't want layers, you know, I kind of just want it to be this solid. But I don't know whether to just skim those front bits here so they don't look so blunt when they hang like that. But do we quite like that though? Yeah, maybe I do quite like that. Okay, so do I leave it like this? Let me just show you the back. Should I leave it like this, or should I just take a little bit off these front bits? I think I might take just a tiny bit off these front bits. So I'm just going to take literally like that bit, this bit, and this bit. These are hairdressing scissors and a comb. And we are going to just, I'm just literally gonna not cut my hair because that's obviously my like fringe bit. So I'm just gonna comb it forward a little bit. And all I'm gonna do is, you see this long, the way that doesn't connect? Can you see, like, hold on. Like the disconnection here? It kind of almost does there, it's just actually this bit. Take this corner off here. So it just has a little bit more of a blend. Yeah. Love. To be honest, I would never normally have cut extensions blunt. I've always hated blunt hair, and I've always preferred much more of like a beachy, you guys know, like a beachy textured, like kind of ratty end. But I think that's good for like long hair. But I think when your hair's anything this and above at the moment, it looks so nice to have a really blunt edge. So usually I would cut blunt and then kind of cut into it a bit, but I'm not even going to do that. I'm going to literally leave it this blunt because I think it looks really cool, this blunt. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it like this. I think this looks really cool. What do you guys think? Remember, this is just extensions. I have not touched my real hair while cutting this. It doesn't mean to say that you couldn't still do the same technique. I'm just saying that obviously the risk for myself is much lower because it's not my hair, you know? So like, if I hate this next week, then I could just get longer extensions again and it will look exactly how it did before I just cut it, you know? So just putting that out there in case you have really, really nice long natural hair. Like, think about it a bit more than what I've just worked on today. I thought I just want to cut my hair. And also I just love it, this blunt. I think it looks really cool. It looks really healthy and thick, and it looks a bit more like natural and effortless, you know? Like, just, this is my hair, like, yeah. Looks pretty nice on the side too, right? With this bit tucked. Yeah, I really like it. Don't you think it looks really like more cool, chic, more fashion, more stylish, maybe? So let me know what you think of the hair, guys, and don't be afraid to say you prefer it long if you do prefer it long. Like, I really don't mind. If you preferred it long or not blunt, like, that's totally fine. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, so that is cool with me. As I said, if I change my mind, I'm just going to get long extensions again. So yeah, I will leave the information of my extensions and where I get them done and everything like that in the description bar down below. I do always leave it down below, but it's right at the bottom, so I know sometimes you guys don't see it, because I actually do, I think, have a discount code for these extensions, so I'll leave that with it as well. As I said, they are Beauty Works, so you can just go and check them out. That's everything for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!